Alright, vlog day 3. Rolly's coming with me. We're gonna go chop some wood.
Okay. Hi
Ready. Oh! Made a new tripod to bring today. It's got a Lego holder at the top, so I can just stick my phone in there, and that's all I need. I get different angles and stuff, but just these Legos hot glued to the top of my tripod. Now, before filming the vlog, it's important to get all the hay and dirt out of your pockets so that you don't get it on your phone or camera. Okay, got all our gear, gloves, water bottle, new tripod stand. What have you got, Roland?
I have some
food.
This will make a great vlog.
Alright, just gonna sharpen the chainsaw on the sharpener. Now this is the best $50 ever spent, was the chainsaw sharpener from Princess Auto. I used to spend 20 bucks to get my chain sharpened for my saw, and now I've sharpened it probably 20 or 30 times. I sharpen it every single time before I go out so that it just cuts so nice every time. So this thing's already paid for itself like 10 times over. You want to see how it's done?
Yeah.
Skipping every other tooth, just doing all the ones in the same direction. Just a quick little hit. Don't have to bother with all the locking mechanisms and all that stuff. It's more of an art form than a science. You just gotta just go like that up and down the tooth. Now, gonna take the chain off, change the angle to 15 degrees the other direction, put the chain right back on the same way, but this time, to get around the cord at the back, I gotta feed the cord through here. The other teeth on this side now. Okay, so now to tell if your chain's sharp, you shouldn't be able to run your glove along. Okay, hold on a second. It's a light over here. To tell if your chain is sharp, you shouldn't be able to run your glove on it. Your glove should just catch on those teeth, like, and not just be able to run your hand down your chain like this. That means it's too dull. It's got to be able to catch right on your glove like that.
Looks good, Popsy.
All right. Let's go cut some wood. Best friend. I'm cutting big logs. Well, it's not so little that we can't drive up it.
But like wheels over into the grass.
It's alright.
That's how small it is.
Just hang on, buddy. This is called 4x4.
Is this what off-road means?
Yeah, exactly.
Driving in the forest?
Yep,
Is that what off-road means?
you got it.
Off-road in it, that you off-road? Like
Yep.
the cement road?
Yeah. Just plow through the forest.
Will you off-road it to get to that place to pull the trees out?
Ah, here we are.
Poppy?
Job site. Yeah, I've really only done this once before, but put the chain back on backwards. So, teeth facing the wrong way. So I gotta flip it around. Got my tool though. Never go chainsawing without one of these. often did it just fall off that log?
Ow! Spikes! It's hard working out here in the jungle. Papa?
Mm-hmm.
The people make movies by doing lots of short clips, then putting them all together.
Exactly. Yep. So we're just turning the truck around here so that when we load it up with wood, we'll be loading downhill instead of uphill. Need to get in there and just nip that top off so it's not visible.